everybody, it's Mady.guevara and I'm back with another video after so long. In this video, I just wanted to share my experience because I was finally able to buy the laptop that I have been saving for since last year and over the past few months. I just want to take this opportunity also to thank everyone who has been supporting me since day one. And yeah, in case you're new to this channel, I hope you can subscribe and stay tuned for my future videos. In case you didn't know, Switch, Power Mac, and other authorized resellers of Apple here in the Philippines offer student discounts. So yeah, just a heads up because I wasn't able to avail that discount before because I didn't know about it. I wasn't aware about it. Also, I'll be sharing the links of the products that I'll be mentioning later on in the video. So if you want to check that out, you can look at the description down below. I hope that you can also support my previous video, which I'll be linking here or here. Lastly, if you have any suggestions for future videos, please let me know. And without further ado, let's get started. USB-C port, so you can insert your charger here, and then a USB-C hub, I guess. And then on the other side, there's also a place for your earphones. just bought this clear case from Shopee, which I'll link down below. So the laptop case I bought came with this keyboard cover as well as the webcam cover I showed you earlier. It's really nice because I like yung glossy and matte cases compared to the ones with color. Although that's also really nice because it's matte. But then pag glossy kasi, I feel like it's more protected. It was around 400 pesos. It came with a keyboard cover, which is really helpful if you're on your laptop the whole day kasi nagiging sweaty yung hands mo. Ang ingay ng blinds. To show you my accessories, my phone accessories. This is like the case I designed months ago for the Hub Cebu. And then as for my phone charm, this is from Studio Gratitude, which is a small accessories business of mine. So you can check it out. We're on IG and then the stand naman is also the same from my old laptop, which is part of my desk tour video in case you watch that. This laptop stand is really helpful. My dad also uses it. And this is also from Shopee, so I'll put it down below as well. And what's nice about this is meron siyang parang covers, protective covers, so that hindi masascratch yung device nyo. And aside from that, you can also adjust its height. So like if mas gusto mo inclined, you can change kung saan siya naka-insert. So like if you want it to be higher, if you want your laptop to be higher, pwede mo siyang i-adjust forward. Like that. Wait, ayaw. Yan, like that. Another accessory that I forgot to mention is this keyboard from Logitech. So I can use this while I'm using my laptop. It's easier to type. You don't have to stretch your arms like that. Better than yung view. Kulang na lang is mouse. But yeah, so these are my main laptop accessories. I think it's going to be on sale as well because of the 8/8 Shopee sale and the Lazada sale. So yeah, that's it. Bye! My USB-C hub just came today. And I'm gonna unbox it and show it to you. So if you guys have bubble wrap at home, I suggest you recycle it. I ordered this online. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you'll support my other videos as well, and I hope you can like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.